Baby panda care too. The baby is hungry. Let's make some food for her. Milk. Let's sterilize the milk bottle first. Shake the milk powder well. Put on a bib. Thanks for taking care of little baby sweetie. Now the baby wants to play out. Let's get all the stuff needed. Ball. Car. Milk powder. Baby towel. Put the stuff in the backpack. Ball. Car. Baby towel. Milk powder. Open the sunshade. The baby's skin is very delicate. Be sure to apply sun protection when staying outdoors. Go out for fun. Let's bring the baby out first. Ball. Baby towel. Milk powder. Car. Thanks for taking care of little baby sweetie. When the bar is fully charged, little sister Sweetie will get the new head. The headwear will be put in. Tap on the box to give it a try. The baby is sleepy. Let's put her to sleep. Swing the cradle. The baby is sleepy. Let's put her to sleep. Swing the cradle. Draw the mosquito net to get rid of the annoying mosquitoes. Good night, my sweet baby. Her face is so dirty. Let's wipe it clean first. Clean her teeth gently with gauze. Adjust water temperature first. Baby string bag can be used to protect the baby. Put on the waterproof hat. Help her wash the hair first. Wash her little hands. then wipe her little feet. Wipe her dry quickly after a bath so she won't catch a cold. Button her onesie. Little trumpet. Ta-da! Wow! It's the flower fairy. This one hasn't been unlocked yet. Keep taking care of the baby to get the headwear. Thanks for taking care of little baby Sweetie. Wow! It's the flower fairy.